I'm Chaz Dean with Wen Hair and Body Care, and I want to show you around my home. Come on in. Inside my home, you're gonna see it's all intertwined and all connected between my paintings, between my products, between my garden, because I'm all about nature. I love living in this area. When guests come to my home, this is usually the first room they go to is my living room. It's very zen. I have my amethyst here. And what I love about this space is connecting it to the outside. I like feeling like you're almost kind of living in a tree house. I also bring the outdoors in, whether it's with my orchids, my crystals, my stones. I love being connected to nature, and you're gonna see that throughout this tour as well. This is my indoor bar. It's a glow bar with my onyx, which I love. My Buddha, I found her in Thailand. I measured her. I let them know the measurements, and we literally created a space just for her. So this is where she is housed for the last 9 years. This is like the heart of my home, it really is. I've lived here for almost 9 years, but I leave my table set like this every day. It just feels like it's so welcoming. So I've hosted some incredible parties, whether it's birthday parties or New Year's Eve parties, and I've been able to seat 15 people at this table. It feels like welcome to my home and just relax. And one of the second things my guests notice is this painting. It's actually 3 separate paintings connected as one. This is my many blessings. You'll see 613, you'll see love. All meaningful parts of my life are in this painting. And speaking of blessings, it's time to give Bella and Riley their blessing. So if you don't know, these are my angels, Bella with the pink collar, Riley with the purple collar. They're sisters, litter mates, and they are my love, my heart. They're used to being on screen, part of our branding. They're on my Win Pets bottles, so they're probably more famous than I am. Welcome to my inner sanctuary. This is a very zen space for me, and it's like I'm in an outdoor bedroom, connected to the jacuzzi, the outdoor fireplace, and nature. I've created a warm, comfortable space with the texture of the cork wallpaper, which I love. My lighting fixtures, which are vintage, and then the tile in the bathroom. I'm obsessed with it because no matter what time of day it is, it's never the same. It catches different lighting each day of the week because it's so reflective. So if you haven't noticed, textures mean everything to me, colors mean everything to me, nature means everything to me. And speaking of nature, I can't wait to show you my garden. I love my garden. I live off my garden. We have tons of cucumbers, my eggplants, my corn, and so much more. This year has been the best my garden has been in the past 3 years. And to finish the tour, I want to take all of you to my rooftop deck. Is it fair to say that this might be Bella and Riley's favorite spot of the house? I have the Griffith Park Observatory right behind us. We have the views of the city here. And normally you might be a little upset that you have construction going on next door, but I can't complain because that's actually my next project. I call it GX, and you guys are all invited. Thank you for joining me on this tour. Had a great time. I will see you next time. And remember, always follow your dreams and your passion.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.